Hello, it's Susan here, your teacher at Booked Up English. Today's learning tip is listen and watch in English. Watching and listening in English can support your child's English language development. You can listen to podcasts for children in English, audio stories, movies and cartoons. After listening, check to see what your child understood. Can your child tell something that happened, either in English or in your language? Can your child draw a picture about what happened? Listening to English is another great way to help your child grow towards mastery. What questions do you have about helping your child learn English? Post in the comments so I can create more content for you. See you soon.